Hello beauties, welcome on back to my YouTube channel. This is KM the makeup artist, your makeup artist. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys my foundation routine and how I contour the face. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Before we get into this video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below so that I know what type of content you'd like to see on this YouTube channel. So now let's jump right into it. So I started off by prepping my skin with the MAC Prep and Prime. You have to also make sure that you moisturize your face because there is a lot of powder that is going to be applied later on the face. So it's going to dry your skin or your face. So you must make sure that you prep and get your skin ready for those layers and layers of makeup that you're about to put on your face. So a lot of people will be surprised why I start off by just contouring my face. So why I do this is because I like my contour to be visible and bold. So I apply my contour, then let it sit for a minute or two on my face, then go on top with my foundation. So this step, it is for those people who are gonna be photographed with photography lights. It might be during a wedding, matric dance, a party, or whatsoever. Doing this under contouring will help your face to look more structured on your pictures and not look flat. I went on and took my Maybelline foundation in the shade 364 Deep Bronze, and with my foundation brush I applied the product on my jawline, nose, forehead and also on my cheekbone, placing the product slightly above that bone to give me structure and also a new cheekbone line. So after applying the contour and I was about to apply the foundation, I realized that I forgot to color correct. So what color correcting does is it cancels all the shadows on your face, hyperpigmentation and those acne scars or whatever scars that you may have like I do. So I took an orange cream concealer that I have in my kit, or if you have an orange liquid concealer, you can also use that. So I am placing this product on all the areas that I want to color correct. So now I'm gonna go on and take my Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade 334 Warm Nut and mixing it a little bit with that deep bronze, just a tiny bit, not too much, because I was trying to tone down the warm nut a little bit. So I saw that it was too light and then I mixed a little bit of the warm nut and deep bronze. So I'm gonna go on and apply this product all over my face, covering my contour and everywhere. Moving on to the next step. So now I'm going to be highlighting my face. So now for this step I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer in the shade number 35. So I am placing this product on all the areas that I want to highlight. Another funny thing that you guys have been seeing on my videos is my broken mirror. Guys, I am so sorry that I'm using a broken mirror on my videos. I will buy another mirror, I don't know whenever I have money. I promise that I'm gonna buy another mirror, but for now I'm gonna be using this mirror because it works perfectly fine for me. So now I'm gonna move to blending that highlight. I'm now taking that same beauty blender that I was using to blend my foundation, and with the other side of the beauty blender I'm gonna be blending my highlight. So another thing that you must take in mind is I am not blending that highlight on the bridge of my nose. Then you will see as the video goes on when I'm gonna be blending this highlight. So for blush, I'm gonna be taking this cream red / pink lipstick that I have in my kit. I'm gonna be rubbing this product at the back of my hand. Then with the bottom of my beauty blender, I am gonna be placing this product on the apples of my cheeks. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to be using the Yardley Stay Fast Pressed Powder Refill in the shade Almond 9. After applying the powder, I'm going to take the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and I'm going to spray that all over the face because we have applied powder and it might be sucking the life out of my skin. So now this is where now I'm blending that concealer highlight on my bridge of the nose. So after doing that, I'm going to be setting that line with my Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder again. Then with my Yardley London Even Complexion Pressed Powder, I'm gonna be contouring the nose with this powder, but I don't know what shade is this because I don't see where the shade is written on this container. But yeah, I took that shade. It is slightly, it's deeper, and then I'm gonna be placing that shade to contour my nose. And then I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and dipping into my Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder again to emphasize the contour on my nose and also to help snatch my nose even further. So after I have wiped the bake of my eyebrows and also on my face, I'm gonna take my spoolie and just brush those eyebrow hairs up just to make sure that there's no powder left in the eyebrow. So after doing that, I went on and sprayed the face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and that completes my foundation application and contour tutorial video. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share, comment down below so that I know what type of content you'd like to see on this YouTube channel. So till next time, bye beauties.